Kublai pi baro kini kilongi kubor bamda kasni. Halor ka hukum juga yang bishar Supreme Court bat ka High Court ya kamat thung kam nonghikai ban penpai ya ka kam biang Menteri Rangba ka jila Meghalaya ukonrat ke sangma ulo ong bah ki kam jingya dei baka jing penpai kam yi nonghikai ka Sorkar jila klade ban shimbun sini kalat ka baka yang bishar Supreme Court ne High Court kala ai. Ban bishar bnya bat penbet iki jingya ken at ki badon. Habakran shikilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulo ong bah ka jingye pe ningkong hadin ka jing bishar bnya ka Sorkar kala labba kombashis pa sa phongut kinong hikai kim shamla don benta ha ki jingya be an dan ki jingya bakla ki blak no yaki karkum ka jing ai jumut ka Sorkar ikini kinong hikai la penpai kambyang u konrat sangma ulo ongru bah ka jingye pe ka ba ar ka Supreme Court kala ai biang ye ka jing betha ya ka Sorkar jula ban bishar biang ye ka kam hadin ka jing bishar sa saup sangut kinong hikai la penpai kambyang ulo ong bakine baro kila jia hadin ka jing bishar ka babnya ba ka jing ai jumut sya ka jing bishar Menteri Rangba ulo ong ba mentaru hagni ka kam ka barang yad ka Sorkar jila kala Kyrpad ka Supreme Court ban ai ka jing yo jing yad mandate bar ka jing bit jing biang clearance ban bishar biang ye ka kam ngin smoke man shisha ban bishar ka ka kam sa shisin da ka jing bishar ka ai ka jing bit Nadadon ki briu ki bla shakta hakarukam ka ba omde tingin kwa ban bishar bat penbet ye kata ula ong. Henry Menteri Rangba ula penpau ba kani ka kam kadon shibun ki liang ka an bar ki jingye ken at ka shuri. Kumta omla ban shim ye karai da kawi ka benta tang hakapor ka belingkon. Ukon rat sang ma ula ong ru ba ka Sorkar jila kadang don ha ka jingye kendu jingye kren ba kinong hikai ki bla shakta ula ong ba kinong hikai ki le kendu ya bunsin bar ka jingye kren kadang yat ben. Ula pentep ula de ban betha eu chief secretary ban pet gilat kilenti bar kijing pen bet kibala ban ne badi kane ka kamdang bishar bnya.
In fact, if you recall that every time the Supreme Court or the High Court has given us an opportunity to review, we have reviewed. And if you remember last time, because it's a subject I don't have the knowledge, I'm just asking me, so I'm giving you whatever I can remember. That roughly about close to, in the first assessment, close to about 140 teachers were reinstated back. So the court gave us that order, gave us that option, and we went in and looked in, and we have said that we found 140 of them to be not really involved in these aspects, and we gave the suggestion, and based on that they were reinstated. Again, in the second phase, the High Court or the Supreme Court, I can't remember, had asked us again to look into another aspect. We looked into it, and again in that also about 4-5. So this was done by the Chief Secretary level, and the court gives us that order. So similarly now also in this particular case, we are asking the Supreme Court or High Court to give us a mandate and give us a clearance if we can review this again, and we would be very happy to review if there are genuine cases and people who have been affected in a way that is not correct, then obviously we'd like to review that. So, but since it is a subject that has got different aspects of law and case and different issues that are still involved, we cannot take a decision just on our own level. So, so we'll have to wait. But we are in touch with the teachers. They have met me a couple of times. In fact, they regularly meet me. And we are trying to work out on how we can move forward. I have asked Chief Secretary already to examine the options. He is working on it and seeing how we can move forward in this.